Hey everyone, in this video we will be comparing GPT OSS 120 billion model with Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro model. So for this I'm having here a lot of coding prompts, and also we will be giving it a LeetCode problem. So if you want to use GPT OSS models online, you can just go to this particular site, which is gpt-oss.com. So first let's begin with the first prompt, and I'll just go here. So this is going to be my first prompt, basically showing a ball bouncing inside a spinning rectangle, and the ball should also be affected by gravity. So we'll be having a rectangle, and inside that rectangle we'll be having a ball, and that ball should move based upon the gravity and friction and also the movement of that rectangle. So let's see what both the model gives us. So we have got the code. Let me just copy it, and let's go with the 120 billion model first. Here I'm having an online HTML viewer. I am pasting the code over here, and this is the output it has generated. It has beautifully put the ball inside the rectangle, and it is getting affected by the gravity and friction. Amazing. And I don't know why it is having this extra information, like I guess the point of that ball and the angle, but it's good to have some additional information, and this is perfect. And now let's see with Gemini 2.5 Pro. Here we are having the code. Let me just copy it and go here to the HTML viewer, pasting it, and okay, the ball has gone outside, and let's give it another chance. So I've just said to Gemini that the ball has gone out, corrected, and it has given me a new code, and let's see how this is going to work. Going here and pasting it. Okay, this time also the ball has gone out. So I guess the 120b model does a better job over here. Now let's move on. Next prompt is going to be generating a super realistic rain with lightning effect, and the catch is this is going to be in just JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Let's see what both the model gives us. So we have got the response for our rain prompt. Let me copy it, 120b first, pasting it over here, and that looks super good. We are having the rain effect, and I'm waiting for the lightning to come. Yep, that lightning also looks super realistic because it had those zigzags, not only the blink effect. As you can see, we are having that zigzag theme. Next, let's go with our Gemini 2.5 Pro, copying it and going here, pasting it, and this has also done an amazing job. The lightning and the stuff. The only thing I don't like here is here we had that realistic lightning, right? That was super realistic because that's how the lightning is going to come in real life also. But here, more than that realistic effect, this is more like a blink effect. So that's the only thing I'm not liking over here. Apart from that, this looks good also. Next, let's go with this prompt, basically a HTML code with animation of letters falling with realistic physics, and the letter should be appearing at random sizes from the top and fall down under Earth's gravity. Quite a famous prompt. Let's see what both the model gives us. So we have got the output for falling letters animation, 120b first, going here, pasting it. So this will really test. Okay, that doesn't look bad. Yep, that looks kind of okay-ish, but I'm not sure why this is appearing over here, because in the prompt there is nowhere it has mentioned that the background should, the path of that letter should be visible. Here you can see, right, density parameters, display on the dark background, have collision detection and varying sizes, but nowhere it has said the path should be visible. So I guess this is like took it off, but apart from that it's quite good. So let's see what Gemini has done over here for the same prompt, and pasting it over here, and this is perfect. This is what I wanted. And the great thing I like about here is multiple reasons. First thing is it has added colors, and it has even like randomized the size of each letter. As you can see, Q is quite small, but Y is big and C is so large. This is so perfect. So this is perfectly done, and it's way more better than what 120b has given. Like this is top notch, like 100% perfect. So the Gemini 2.5 Pro gets it over here. So this is going to be my next prompt. a single HTML, CSS, JavaScript code to create a simulation of planets around the sun. Let's go with 120b first. Going here and let's see what it has given. Okay, we have got the sun and we have got the other planets also. I really like how it has generated that ring. Okay, let's go with a much bigger view. And here we are having a counter also, which basically counts, I guess, the number of days. Here you can see 78 days and we can even pause it. I really like how it has generated this image. Maybe it has taken from the net. And we are having the play option. So by this way we can increase the days also. I don't know why this is stopping at 200. Okay, anyways, this looks so good, to be honest. This isn't bad at all. This looks so good. Like the realism, I really like it, how it has represented it. So it's going to be quite challenging what Gemini 2.5 Pro comes up with now. Let's see that also. Damn, okay, I could see the planets and I really like how it has generated it. Okay, damn. Just look at that. Okay, I'm having the zoom out effect also, and the top view. Okay, that's crazy. I really like that, how movable it is, and yep, that's so good over here. Okay, this is going to be quite tough to choose between both of them, but I'll just go with Gemini 2.5 Pro because it has that edge, like this movement, like we can literally move and zoom in, zoom out, so that has got an edge over here. But 120b has also done a pretty good job. You can't like blame it at all. It has also done a great job over here. Code a big bird using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Show the side view of the bird flying in one single code. So let me just copy this and go for both. So we have got the bird code. So 120b first, going here and pasting it. So we have got the, okay, why is the head separate and the body separate and the wings separate? It has done a good job. If it had put the bird just over here, like a 50 pixel above, it would have been much better. But I wouldn't say it's bad because it's just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. That's not like the worst either. It has tried. And let's see what GPT 2.5 Pro does over here. It's going to be interesting. And refreshing it, putting it over here. Okay, this is perfect, but the only fun thing is this is a duck. I don't think ducks can fly. Can ducks fly? Wait, let me just search that. Oh, okay, ducks can fly. Wild ducks are known for their strong flying abilities. Okay, so I hope this is an wild duck, but that looks perfect. Like the wings, the eyes, everything is perfect. So I would say like Gemini 2.5 Pro has done a better job over here. So now let's go with some LeetCode problems. The one that I'm going to choose is a hard problem, minimum window substring, and it's quite hard because the acceptance rate is just 45%. So let's see what both the model gives. So we have got the response and it has beautifully explained the thought process and the algorithm, everything, the proofs and other stuff, time complexity also, and it has given me the code over here. So what I can do is I can simply copy the function alone, replace this. Yep, that's good. Let me run it. Okay, that's great, to be honest. It has got 88%, it beats 88%, and in the memory it beats 60%. So that's insane for runtime. Really great from the 120b model. And now let's go with Gemini. So it's 88 and 60, remember those. Pasting it over here. Yep, and submitting it. And Gemini 2.5 Pro has got 45% and 21%. So 120b has got over it. So let's go with another problem. So I'll go to problems list and let me just choose a harder problem. Let me go with this candy. And it has also got 47% of acceptance. So let's see the result for both these models. So we have got the code. Let's go with 120b first. Just copying it and pasting it. So we have got 80% in runtime and we have got 7%. Not bad, but the previous result was better from 120b. Let's go with our Gemini 2.5. Okay, we're doing the same thing, pasting it, submit. Okay, this has performed better. This has got almost 100% in runtime. That's crazy. And this is 34%. And do let me know in the comments what you think about it. Subscribe my channel. More AI content coming. Thanks for watching.